For any friends out there looking to improve their Excel skills, we will share a practical and simple trick in this video. This will help you organize your data more efficiently and improve your productivity. We all know that the tedious task of data organization often takes up our valuable time, and Excel, as a powerful data tool, is often overlooked for its powerful features. Through our online course, you will not only learn these practical Excel tricks, but also apply them to your daily work. If you have an email form, and you want to extract users' names from these email addresses, the traditional way is to manually input one by one, but this is undoubtedly tedious and time-consuming. At this time, the function combination of Excel can show a powerful performance. So, I asked ChatGPT if it can provide an equation to separate the text before the @ symbol in cell A2. ChatGPT gave me a formula that combines the left and find functions, which is equals left E2 find at E2-1. Now, I copy the formula and paste it on Excel. Double-click the bottom right corner. As usual, to autofill down. ChatGPT gave us the correct answer we were looking for. Let's take a look at this combination formula, which contains two functions, left and find. The syntax of left is left, data 1, data 2. Data 1 is text, which is the text you want to extract from it. Data 2 is the number of characters you want to extract. And the syntax of the find function is find, data 1, data 2. Data 1 is the text you want to find from. Data 2 is the cell location to find. What this formula means is that it will return all the characters to the left of the @ symbol in cell A2. The find function will find a position of @ in the text, and the left function will return all characters to the left of that position. The -1 is included to exclude the @ symbol itself. You will be amazed at the effect of this formula. It will greatly improve your efficiency in handling such problems. Our online Excel course not only teaches you how to use these basic Excel functions, but also teaches you how to flexibly combine these functions to solve various problems encountered in actual work. We believe that learning and mastering these Excel skills will have a huge impact on your work. In our course, you are not just learning Excel skills, but also how to effectively apply these skills to solve problems encountered in actual work. For example, you can use the combination formula we just introduced to quickly extract the name from the email address, which will save you a lot of time and effort. If you have gained something from today's video, or if you have any thoughts about Excel, feel free to share in the comment section below. At the same time, if you find this video helpful, feel free to share it with your friends. Let's learn together, make progress together, and explore new possibilities in the world of Excel.